Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Hi, this is Peter Charlton from New Tech Reviews. It's a quick review today of Monthly Income System by Dawood Islam. He is really producing some incredible material at the moment. This is very, very interesting, and I will let him take it from here.
Of course, it is Monthly Income System 2.0 with myself and my launch partner Stephen Banks. This product is a fully updated version of a product that we launched about 18 months ago. Did very well first time around because it teaches something that really we should all be teaching our members to do, which is to promote products that deliver monthly residual income. We all know how good it is to do the work once and just get paid over and over again. And the monthly income system shows 5 programs that you can promote that will deliver you regular monthly income. And the key to it is that they are products that once people start using them, they are going to use them again and again because they deliver essential things for their business, mainly traffic that they need to stay in business, but also other very useful tools. So once people start subscribing for these programs, invariably they carry on, which means that you get income over and over again from them. On some of the programs, I myself have been getting monthly income from them for 2-3 years, pretty much since I started back in this business. So it's a very useful product that actually works. Rather than teaching your members how to promote Warrior Plus JV Zoo offers and then having to repeat that activity every single day of the year if they want to carry on getting paid, why not teach them how to do stuff where they only have to do the work once and then they are going to get paid every single month without having to resell it again? And that is the joy of Monthly Income System 2.0.
Hello again. This is going to be a very short video, just the essentials. You can look at everything we've prepared for you on the sales and bonus pages, and you can watch the videos again because there's 2 videos there from Dawood Islam which describe the monthly income system slightly more detail, and there's more detailed information on these pages. If you go below the video or to the right, if you're watching on a telephone, and click the links, you can get here to these pages and you can purchase it from us and get the bonuses. Now there are 3 bonuses from Dawood Islam's team. His own bonuses. There's a 30-day money back guarantee as well. There are 3 bonuses from Dawood Islam's team which you can pick up if you purchase through here, and there's our bonuses as well. The Autoresponder profit system, which is a thick book full of information on using autoresponders, how to set them up. There's the High Ticket Mastery by Brendan Mace, who's a top-level affiliate who really knows his stuff. There's a lot to pick up information from there. A number of videos in that. There's a hack by John Armstrong, building your Facebook following fast. There's amazing amount of hints and tips on the use of Warrior Plus. You'll get there yourself if you just mess around with it long enough and make lots of mistakes, but this takes you there much faster. And then there's another bonus training by John Armstrong, full of information. And the last one is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. And that's another big PDF. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope there's been some useful information here. And if you pick it up from us, you can get all these bonuses. Have a good day and all the best.
For more New Tech Reviews, press subscribe.